Nerve damage can be a serious and debilitating condition, sneaking up on us when we least expect it. But what if the solution to this growing problem was as close as your very own fruit bowl? In this captivating exploration, we're unearthing the shockingly effective fruits that hold the key to nurturing and repairing your nervous system. Do watch till the end, as I am sure there will be a fruit that you like. And if you like this video, do give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Avocado. Avocados are packed with essential fatty acids that act as insulation for your nerves, helping them function properly. They also provide potassium and vitamin E, which aid nerve regulation and repair. So, how much avocado should you be enjoying? A half or a whole avocado a day can provide those beneficial nutrients without overwhelming you in the calorie department. But why stop at the classic avocado toast? Get creative and try an avocado smoothie, chocolate avocado pudding, or a party-pleasing guacamole. Number 2. Berries. Berries are antioxidant superstars, fighting the free radicals that can damage nerves. Among the many berries, blueberries deserve a special shout-out. They are known to enhance nerve communication and even help with the regeneration of nerve cells. And strawberries, they come with a dose of vitamin C, which isn't just for fending off colds, it's also crucial for collagen production, the protein that helps hold our nerves together like a well-knitted scarf. So, how many berries should you be enjoying? Think of a generous handful a day as a very good start. Try a colorful berry salad, a blueberry and pepper salsa, or a classic berry smoothie. Berries aren't just for dessert, they're a nutritious, nerve-nurturing delicacy. Number 3. Oranges. Oranges are citrus superheroes for nerve health. The vitamin C supports collagen production, which is crucial for nerve structure. The B vitamins and potassium also keep nerve function balanced. So, how many oranges should you be enjoying? One medium-sized orange a day should keep the nerve grumblings at bay. Of course, you could opt for a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice, but let's not forget about the fiber in the whole fruit. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are a nerve-friendly powerhouse with potassium to manage nerve signals, vitamin B6 for nerve integrity, and magnesium to soothe the nervous system. Enjoy a banana daily on its own, in pancakes, or as a comforting banana bread. Number 5. Kiwi. Kiwis are packed with vitamin C and E, protecting nerves from oxidative stress and aiding collagen production. The potassium also keeps nerve signals flowing smoothly. 1 or 2 kiwis per day make a refreshing addition to salads, smoothies, or salsas. Number 6. Pineapple. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that reduces inflammation to keep nerves calm. The manganese in pineapple also supports nerve function. Enjoy a cup of fresh pineapple chunks a few times a week, or try grilled pineapple or pineapple fried rice. Number 7. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powerhouses, shielding nerves from damage. The vitamin C also supports nerve-strengthening collagen. The recommended intake: a half cup of pomegranate seeds or a glass of unsweetened pomegranate juice a few times a week will make your nerves really happy. Just watch out for the added sugars in some store-bought juices. Those can turn a symphony into a sour note. Creative ways to indulge in pomegranates? How about sprinkling those vibrant seeds over a salad, adding a splash of color and crunch, or mixing them into a bowl of yogurt, turning breakfast into a nutritious party? Number 8. Cherries. Cherries are rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect nerves. The vitamin C also keeps nerves strong. So, what is the recommended cherry intake for the average cherry-loving individual? A cup of fresh cherries a few times a week should do the trick. Just be mindful of the pits. They might be the cherry's way of playing a little prank on the unsuspecting eater. Now, for the fun part, incorporating cherries into your diet. How about a cherry smoothie, blending sweet and tart into a harmony of flavors? Or a cherry almond salad, where crunch meets succulent in a delightful culinary duet? And for those with a sweet tooth, cherry crumble is a dessert that wraps your taste buds in a comforting blanket of yum. Number 9. Dragon fruit. The mystical dragon fruit, with its vibrant pink skin and speckled flesh, is more than just a visually striking addition to your fruit bowl. Dragon fruit's vibrant color comes from antioxidants that shield nerves from free radical damage. The fruit also provides vitamin C for collagen production and fiber to stabilize blood sugar levels. By helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels, dragon fruit ensures that your nerves aren't sent on a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, which can exacerbate neuropathic pain. The recommended intake: Enjoy one dragon fruit every few days and let this mystical guardian of your nervous system work its magic. 10. Guava. Often overshadowed by its flashier fruit cousins, guava is a humble superstar that deserves its moment in the spotlight when it comes to nerve health. Guava is a vitamin C champion, boasting even more of this nerve-fortifying nutrient than oranges. The fiber also helps prevent the blood sugar spikes that can exacerbate nerve pain. So, how much guava should you be enjoying? Aim for 1 to 2 medium-sized guavas per day and get ready to embark on a tropical cruise to nerve wellness. Just be mindful of those pesky seeds. There you have it, my friends, the fantastic fruity lineup that's more than just a tropical getaway for your taste buds. These 10 delicious fruits are here to support your nerves. Which is your favorite fruit for nerve damage? Comment below. Besides fruits for nerve damage, do you know that there are some essential oils that are great for nerves too? Do check out my other video on how you can harness the power of essential oils to repair your nerves in the link above and in the link down below. If you enjoyed this video, do like and share this video so that more people will learn about these amazing fruits for nerve damage. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of health tips for women, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.